Ozible and Max and a writer, Fowler. One day, Ozible and Fowler went out to spend an evening together. When the both men were talking, Ozible told Fowler that he must have imagined him as a secret agent who deal with danger and mysterious figure every night, cracks of pistol and drugs in wine. But in other hand, when Fowler met Ozible, he only saw a chubby, fat-looking guy who spoke French and German with moderately in American accent, which he never forget since he moved from Paris to Boston 20 years ago. They soon went they went to Ozible's house. Ozible closed the door and switched on the light. Fowler was startled to see a man who was holding an automatic pistol halfway up the room, but Ozible recognized him immediately. He was Max, a secret agent who had came to take the report of missile that Ozible was expected. But he told that instead of keeping that report to him, give it to me, I will keep it safer. So, in the meantime, Ozible made a hypothetical story of a balcony which is attached to his window to distract Max's attention. Max was confused. That you had balcony, so why I should climb the wall? I could have come from the pass key. There was sudden knocking at the door which became louder and frequent. Ozible told that there must be police who had came to visit him on a regular basis. Max was confused and he kept one leg out of the window and told him he will come out when police left, and he warned them if they say anything to them, he would shoot them and take his chance. He went out of the window and jumped, and there was a loud scream. Ozible opened the door, and there was a waiter who had wine and two glasses. He kept that on the table and he left. Fowler asked Ozible, where is the police? Ozible told that police was not there. Police did not come. It was a lie. And he asked him, Max must be waiting out of the window. He told that there was no balcony attached to window. It was all made up story to fool Max, and he blindly believed.